It is time to give the old skid steer a little bit of love. Let's get her cleaned up, make it look as good as everything else that we have. This skid steer, it's nice, it's bright, it's orange, people can see it, but want to change it up, give her a new coat of paint, make it look a little different. Haven't seen any other skid steer in this color. Curious how it's going to turn out. Machine's in place, ready to go. We're gonna spend a little bit of time, get all these stickers off. Process I use, they're old stickers, been on there forever. We're gonna heat them up a little bit with a little blowtorch, just a little handheld torch. Use a razor, try to get all these off the best we can. And we got them all off. All that we're taking off right now. I'm not too worried about the ones on the rocks, anything on the black. I don't know if we're gonna paint that just yet, but all this orange is definitely gonna get painted. This week we're gonna paint it, I think like a Toyota mud bath, brown, kind of in that color. Decals are off. Again, except for the ones like on the black. Wasn't too bad. They come off pretty easy for the most part. It is now ready. We're probably going to power wash it, get it cleaned off, let it all dry up, and then we can start getting it ready for paint. It is now time to get this prep underway for paint. We've already removed all the stickers, we've pressure washed the machine. Now we got to get all the scuffing done, taping things up, whatever we need to do to start getting ready to lay some paint down. Got reinforcements coming in today, should not take that long. We'll get this thing prepped and start getting some paint down. So what we're doing is we're going to lay down a base coat, sealer coat, just kind of cover up that orange. Once we get all that done, then we'll come back and we'll start putting the color on it. That old Toyota mud bath. I think it's going to look pretty good. Really excited to see. A little loud in here, compressor running, but the base coat is down. A few areas I wasn't too really worried about. We'll just probably hit it with a little color, but I'll show you where we're at. Now we'll start mixing up some of the color, get that color put on. Shouldn't take too long, and then we can hit it with some good clear and put it back together. The color is all laid down, got all the black done, got all the mud bath done, getting it prepped, start putting that clear on to get this thing shiny. Really want to get out in the sun and see how it looks. The skid steer is done. We're gonna roll this thing outside, get a good look at it in the sunlight. Pretty stoked about it. I think it turned out pretty good. The color doesn't really pick up as well on the camera as I had hoped, but it is Toyota mud bath. You can go online, search that color and see exactly what we're talking about. Has a little bit of flake into it, gives it just that little bit of a sparkle in the sunlight. But again, I think it turned out well. I only cut a few decals and put on it right now, but we still have more to put on.
it.